Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with the Southwestern egg roll pasta. I took Chili's famous Southwestern egg rolls and made a pasta out of it. If you're interested in learning how to make this, guys, stay tuned. First, we're going to start off with seasoning our chicken, which I do not have the measurements for, with some garlic powder, some onion powder, some seafood magic, salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. And what I'm using are 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, so I'm still working on the exact measurements for this recipe, guys, so you may just see an ingredients list in the description box below, but as soon as I get this recipe perfected, you will see the exact measurements. Now we're gonna work on our veggies. What I have here is 1/2 of a red bell pepper and 2 green onions. So now we're gonna take a skillet with some vegetable oil and we're gonna cook our chicken. You're gonna cook your chicken until it's done on the inside. I don't know how else I can explain it, but cook your chicken till it's not pink on the inside, y'all. Yeah, so now we're gonna remove our chicken from the heat, and in that same skillet we're gonna cook our bell peppers a little bit before we add in our green onions until they get tender. So once our bell peppers have cooked for a couple of minutes, you want to add in some spinach. I forgot to add in my spinach at this point. You can either add in frozen spinach or fresh spinach. I was gonna add in some fresh spinach, but y'all, I forgot. So after you add in that fresh spinach and then your green onions, then you're gonna add in your frozen corn, as you can see here, and a can of drained and rinsed black beans. And I'm seasoning my mixture with some cumin, some chili powder, and some onion powder. Next, I'm adding in some canned diced jalapeños and some salt. Now you're gonna add in your chopped chicken thighs. Once you've mixed in your chicken thighs, you're gonna turn the heat off and add in your Monterrey Jack cheese. I did end up adding some garlic powder, y'all, of course. And at this point, I was like, something's missing. And that's when I realized I forgot my spinach, like I mentioned earlier. So what I did was I took a skillet and added some olive oil and just sauteed my spinach. I made sure it was drained and I added it back into the mixture. And in my head right here, I'm like, yes, now it looks like Southwest egg rolls. So now we're gonna make our creamy avocado sauce. As you guys know, when you go to Chili's and order the Southwestern egg rolls, they give you the avocado ranch. So I did want to add an avocado to this recipe. So what I have here is about 2 tablespoons of butter that I melted, and I'm gonna take about 4 ounces of cream cheese. As y'all know, I'm a cream cheese queen, and we're gonna get this melted down. Now I'm gonna add in some garlic powder and I'm gonna whisk in some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna continue to season our sauce with some chili powder and some salt. So I just added in some garlic powder, chili powder, and some salt to our sauce. And then I'm gonna take 1/2 of an avocado that has been mashed up and we're gonna add this into our sauce. This sauce was actually very good, y'all. The avocado made it really kind of buttery and creamy. It was really good. I know I wanted to add in an avocado to some type of sauce. I didn't know if I wanted to do like an Alfredo avocado sauce or what, but it came out really good. And then what you see me doing here is going in with some pepper, and I added my pasta. I chose a fettuccine pasta. It's up to you what type of pasta you want to add. So what I did next, I wasn't sure how I wanted to plate this or serve this. So what I did was I just took the filling and I just laid it on top of the pasta. It's up to you how you want to serve or plate this. Y'all know I'm a low-key chef. So presentation is everything. And then I went on top of this with some parsley and some Monterey Jack cheese. So that's one way you can present or eat this. Or like me, I like the way that it looks when it's all mixed in. So right here, I'm just going to mix this in, and I did add in some more of that filling. And y'all make sure you get a bigger skillet, because this thing was, as you can see, I added in some more of that chicken mixture, and I need a bigger skillet. But anywho, but that was it, y'all. Southwest egg roll pasta. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.